The next element of a successful credit score, of course, besides low debt and moving due dates on your revolving creditors that eliminate any short-term lates, of course, is a mortgage. According to Fair Isaac, if you want to get to an 800 credit score, there's two requirements. You have to have at least $100,000 of mortgage debt or more. Mortgage debt is actually very healthy for your credit score, as long as all the payments are made on time and nothing goes past due. And number two, you should have at least 10 years of open credit. So 10 or more years of open credit with $100,000 in mortgage debt or more will successfully, in most cases or some cases, get you to an 800 plus score. Even according to Fair Isaac, which this number changes on a monthly basis, that even people who, only about 7% of the country, last time I checked, all scores are above 800. Out of 300 million people living in this country, only 7% of the country or less has all credit scores above 800. There are three credit bureaus that we have to contend with: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Credit restoration, leveraging the Fair Credit Reporting Act law, is very easy to clean up credit. What we do is we examine a person's credit report by having the consumer or the lender send us a copy via email or fax. It takes us literally 10 minutes to do an analyzation, which is at no charge to the consumer, to see what we can do to help them get their score back on track. After we analyze it, we will give the consumer a rough time frame of how long it would take. Quick fixes to get their scores up quickly, especially if they're trying to get a mortgage in the next 30 or less days, and the flat charge cost. We always have a flat pricing fee structure, either a payment process or a flat fee, which will be discussed at a later time. So it's crucial that with credit repair, leveraging the Fair Credit Reporting Act laws, because again, anything that's inaccurate, erroneous, or can't be verified must be removed. That's including bankruptcies, foreclosures, simple late, older collection accounts. Now keep in mind, folks, if you owe a debt to a credit card company or a student loan, removing it from the credit bureau's database may not be that difficult, depending on the flow of the credit report. But people think that if I delete a $5,000 one-year-old collection account, that they do not owe that $5,000. They may or may not owe that debt, because there is a statute of limitations on that debt, and we'll talk about that in the next segment. But it's imperative, though, that either a debt might have to be settled or paid in full, or in some cases, depending on how old it is, it may not have to be paid at all. But it's imperative to take a look at your report as often as you can. Let us take a look at it and give you some advice on how to do your own credit repair for free, or if you hire us to do that. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Robert. My number is 800-398-5008. Again, it's 800-398-5008. Thank you for your time.